Hello, and welcome to this Final Draft 9 for Mac Quick Start tutorial. In just a few minutes, you'll be able to turn this into this, a perfectly formatted script. The elements in screenplays, TV shows, and stage plays must be formatted to industry standards. If you need to learn about script format, please visit the Learn section at finaldraft.com. When you first launch Final Draft, you'll see four main areas: the menu bar, the toolbar, the page, and the status bar. The default template when you launch Final Draft is Screenplay. If you'd like to change the template, click File, and then New from Template. You can see Final Draft has templates for graphic novels, scripts, text documents, and TV shows. For this tutorial, I'm going to stay with the Screenplay template. The first thing you should do when starting a script is to name and save your file. If you worry about forgetting to save your script, Final Draft has autosave features. These features can be customized by clicking in the top menu Final Draft, Preferences, and then Autosave. I'm going to write some lines from a script called Farmland. You can review this script by choosing Help and then Tutorial Files. The first line in any script is called a scene heading. For this scene, I am typing the scene heading Exterior Mast Farm Day. Notice two things as I type this scene heading. First, commonly used words and abbreviations, such as INT and EXT, automatically appear to save you time. Second, the scene heading is capitalized and formatted exactly to industry standards. After the scene heading, the script calls for an action line. To write this line, I just press Enter. I know I'm in the action line element by looking at the menu in the status bar. And there is a scene from Farmland with a perfectly formatted scene heading and action line. Here is another scene from Farmland. I've already written the scene heading and action lines. Now I want to add some character and dialogue lines. Just like before, I press Return after the last action line. But that takes me to another action line. I want to write a character name, so I must change the element. One way to change an element is to go down to the element menu and choose the one you want. So in this case, I would choose character. But an easier way is to just use the Tab button. Pressing the Tab button cycles you through all the possible elements for a line. I'm going to tab to the character line, stop, and write the name of the character. Since dialogue always follows a character element, it's only natural in this case to press Enter to write dialogue. Now, I'll add a few more lines each time using only the Tab or Enter key. With just the Tab and Enter keys, you should be able to write and format an entire script. But what if you make a mistake? Just place your cursor in the line you need to correct, choose the right element from the menu, and your mistake is fixed. Thanks for watching this Final Draft 9 for Mac Quick Start tutorial. If you'd like to learn the many more features in Final Draft, please visit the Learn section at finaldraft.com, or read our online manual by going to the Help menu and choosing Final Draft 9 Help.